Hello Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to Open Heart Tarot. Excuse me. I caught my breath, like, I don't know what happened right there. I caught my, maybe got something to do with this reading, but if you, we want to get into how your person is feeling about you, okay? Just straight oracle, straight tarot, no oracle cards, and no personal messages as I usually would do because I need to update my deck. Alright, so let's see, Sagittarius, how your person is feeling about you at this time. Six of Cups. Alright. Ooh, that's far as well. Queen of Pentacles reversed. The Justice card. Page of Wands. So, hold on, let me fix that. Some of my cards was reversed in my deck, y'all. Gotta make sure it was the only one. So the Eight of Cups. So this person right now is trying to leave the past in the past, like emotions in the past is what I'm getting. That's better for this Eight of, yeah. It's like they're trying. They see the truth of what it is, and it's like they're trying to let it go. Okay, but it's a burden. Okay, whatever the truth is, they see the truth of what it is, and they're trying to let it go. There's some type of pain. Okay, some type of hurt. And it's like they might be trying to let you go. But it's like they can't. It's like they keep looking back at this connection. What if I this Queen of Pentacles in reverse? That's way too many cards. The Ten of Swords has popped out, but I want the other cards. I feel like they see you as someone that's not grounded. You know, you are hurt. Okay, very painful. Ending could have took place with y'all, and you just stuck on that, and you're trying to move forward and be happy, but you're hurt right now. Okay. Let's see the Justice card. Ooh. We got the Ace of Pentacles, the Six of Cups, and the Ten of Wands. It's like this person wants balance in this connection. It's like there's like a lot of toxic. This connection is toxic, and they see that, right? They see it's a lot of stuff that y'all need to work on. Y'all could have, hurt each other. It's like they want a stable relationship with you. They want to give to you, but it's like it's a lot of hard work for them. It's a lot. It's a lot that goes into this. Like, it's the past. I feel like the past is really weighing them down. Okay, they are trying to leave the past in the past, and it's just, and some of you, they're trying to cut you out their life, but it's hard. It's because they still want to be with you. Let's clear for the Page of Wands. Like this person wants you to take action. Like you have the Four of Pentacles, the Page of Cups, and Three of Pentacles. Really express yourself. To really heal this connection, you know, really express your emotions and really stop holding back. I feel like you're closed off and you're holding back, you know, on the pain of this connection. Okay, and they want to address it. It's like they feel like that's how they can, you know, y'all can move forward and have something, you know, in this relationship, or decide to let it go. It's like they need to know if you want this or if you don't want this by expressing how you feel. But they feel like you're so closed off. Yeah. It's like they've been waiting. They've been waiting for you to it's like they've been waiting, but they don't know. Like, look at what this Moon card. Waiting to express your emotions. That's exactly what it is. Waiting for you to express your emotions. I mean, how did I flip? Look, this is how the reading is coming out. I'm just reading it, okay? Yeah, that's how they see you. I just caught on. I was reading and read because I take it how it resonates. But this is how your person is feeling. Advice for you, Sagittarius. The Lovers. It's like right now it's so hot. It's the energy is just conflicted. Like seriously, you need to move away from that. Like to clear your mind, to figure out what you want. Like yeah, you know, pull yourself back from this energy. You know, because you just in your head, you're worrying, you're stressing out about this person. And it's like, it's not that you don't feel what they're feeling, you know, it's just that you just may not know how to express that or know how to conjure up the words to even, you know, speak on this topic, because it's definitely keeping you up late at night, this connection, okay, and the pain that's there. Anybody else for Sagittarius? Now, this person definitely wants you to change, okay? And just, what else? What else? The Hangman is like, you know, shift your perspective from the Five of Swords, right? Because you're in so much pain. They see that you're hurting, right? And they want you to heal so that y'all can be happy again. I don't know. It's a lot going on in this connection. Alright. Yeah, it's a lot going on. I mean, I feel like there was some type of communication though, you know, because it's like they see the truth about certain situations, so they're trying to move past it. But it's like it's still so much left unsaid, you know. There's not so much that needs to be said that's not being done. All right, that's how I feel. Well, that's how your person feels. Okay. So if you enjoyed this reading, come see me again. Until next time, see you soon. Peace.